What's going on, guys? Got a new video for you. Today we're going to be going over Create React App and getting started using React. So let's get into it. Alright, I'm going to start this from scratch. I'm just going to straight up make a new folder right here. I don't even care. Rename. Calling this React App. React App. Now I'm going to pull up the command line here. And I'm just going to go to that file. Get into it. There we go, we're inside. We're in it. And now I'm going to use npx create React app, and I'm going to call it my app. Now npx makes it so you just don't need to have create React app globally installed on your machine, so it makes it a lot easier and simpler. And I'm going to run this, and it takes a minute usually. We'll just sit here and wait. Pull it up in VS Code actually. There's the folders getting put in. You can do this in the terminal of VS Code as well. If you just click new terminal, and you can do the same thing, but I just did it here. And it looks like it's about done. A couple more seconds. And there we go. It's finished. So I'm just gonna exit out of that, just so we can see what's in here. So we have a public file, the node modules, which is just like 1,000 files and stuff in there. You don't need to worry about that. That's just what React needs to run and be able to do everything it does. So we got this public file. The only thing really in here that you're gonna need is the index.html. All this other stuff is just a bunch of like pictures and icons and stuff. But yeah, here we go. It's all right here. Index.html. There's the ID is the root. That's all I need to worry about. Really don't need to do anything with this index file, really. But then we got the app.css, index.css, which is for like the body and the HTML and whatever else you need to style. And then the app is for all the components and stuff. App.js, you know, like the head component, top of the pyramid right here, which is what they start you out with, which is good. Alright, so now we're going to actually run this thing. And we're going to do npm start. Now this, what in the world? Oh, okay. We got to get into this file. Now we can do npm start. And there it is. So this is what it's going to look like, the default of everything once it gets installed. And this is just a live server, so whenever you edit something, save it, it comes instantly over here. So that's pretty cool. And you can do whatever you want. So after that, all you really need to do is I'm just gonna do like this, and I'm gonna get into my folder again. And really, all you need to do once you're done and you want to like a production and you want to see what your app looks like outside of your live server, we just do npm run build, and it will build a build of it pretty much. There it is, and then serve build, and there it is. So it's copied. Boom. There it is. Live production build. Hello. There we go. And that's all you really need to know for this. Yeah, there's that build file that I created, index.html. And yeah, if you only click on the HTML file, pull up the document, and we go to the build index, it'll just be a white screen. That's why you need to do the npm run build and then serve the build to see it once you're finished. And that's about it, guys. That's how you get started with Create React App. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you guys next time.